Yeah, I'm here at Clotson Street Guard. We're visiting here with my uh, classmates. Yeah, the what's it called this? Bar trade. Bar trade guard. Yeah, yeah. And then, yeah. Yeah, it's a beautiful. More on the flower here is more on rhododendron. Yeah, they mo like a rhododendron. Yeah, you have different ground also. Yeah, and now I'm in the back side of her house. Yeah, color different flower. And the I don't know what's it's a loon. It's a Japan's loon. I don't know. It's what sort of this one. Yeah, and different place that you can sit on. Yeah, there's a type of rhododendron also. Oh yeah, yes, different. Yeah, I can follow here. Then so yeah, we have to go in here. It's a little space here for small rhododendron here, and different types of flower. Yeah, and rhododendron also. This one, yeah. Then yeah, yeah, this one also. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And my classmate Nasser. Yeah, it's a beautiful place to go around and look some different types of plants. Yeah, and now we're going to down here. Yeah. Oh, they are also pizza. Look. Yeah. And yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. And then you can hear the birds. It's unnatural, like some forest.